Delhi Manipuri Society, Ningol's United Progressive Initiative and Meitei Heritage Society have jointly demanded an apology from Lieutenant General P.C. Nair, former Director General of Assam Rifles, for his recent remarks stating that Kuki militants did not use drones and long-range rocket bombs. The joint press release issued by these three organizations has condemned Nair's comment, stating that Kuki militants did not use such weapons in their attacks against Meiteis. The release criticized that this claim contradicts reports from Kuki Students' Organization Delhi President Paugja Khuf Guite, who had confirmed use of these weapons. The organizations expressed concern that Nair's comment is misleading and could further inflame tensions in the already sensitive situation in Manipur. They stressed the importance of accurate public statements from such a high-ranking officials and called for Nair to issue a formal apology to prevent further escalation of the crisis.